Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set any song as a ringtone on your iPhone and iPad iOS 16. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. Here you can see guys, instant and ringtone. As you can see guys, it's check on default. So these are the ringtones from iPhone. So how can you set any of the song? Just simply go back, and then let me tell you that you have to install two apps from App Store. So the first one is that ringtone maker. So you have to search for ringtone maker, and then you have to install this type of app. And second one is GarageBand. And after that, what you need to do is just simply open Safari browser or another browser to install the song or ringtones. And if you have in your gallery, then you have to open ringtone maker. And after that you have to tap on plus, and then you have to tap on more, and then you have to tap on import from file. And as you can see guys, some songs is available here. So as you can see guys, some songs are here. So now I'm going to select this one. So just simply tap on this, and then you can clip from here. So this is no copyrighted. So you can select your favorite part of song from here, as you can see guys. And if you want to fade in, then you can do from here. Okay guys, so you have to fade in from here. If you check on fade in from here, then the first part is volume is slow, so you can select timer from here and then tap on OK. And if you want to slow the second part, then you can fade out from here, and then you can select the timing from here. Just simply tap on OK and then tap on turn. And now you have to wait for a while because it's free, so you have to watch some ads. And it's showing here make option. Just simply tap on make, and then you have to tap on GarageBand. Now you have to pick your phone as a landscape way, and then you have to hold this one, and from here you can rename it. Now just simply tap the name from here, and then you have to tap on turn. And after that again hold this one, and then you have to tap on share, and then you have to tap on ringtone, and then tap on continue, and then tap on export. And from here you have to wait for a while till it's exporting here. As you can see guys, just simply tap on OK. Now let me show you here. In settings you have to open settings, and then you have to scroll it down, and then you have to tap on sound and haptics, and then you have to tap on ringtone. And as you can see guys, this is the ringtone, as you can see guys. So you can put any of the song as a ringtone on your iPhone and iPad. So that's it guys for today's video. If that video helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.